First machine was an Onyx. I think the Onyx machine was the most cost-efficient machine, or at least had the perfect balance for us in terms of quality and cost. It was the good entry point, the perfect entry point. We are very happy with that machine and with that choice. And then when we started to scale up the business, we decided to go for a diamond machine because we think that is more performant. And also because now that we are not anymore a startup company, because we are an established company, because we need more volume, we need a machine that can perform at higher speed. Today, I have to say we're happy with our journey. So for us, automation has been extremely important. We have also been recognized now in the UAE as one of the top manufacturers when it comes to smart manufacturing. We were top 3 last year. We have automated almost all the transportation. So we use 6 laser-guided vehicles for the transportation of goods inside the factory, between the factory and the warehouse. So all the storage, the whole warehouse is managed by these LGVs. At the same time, the end of the line is all handled by robot and or gantries, and everything, basically the whole palletization, all the preparation of the finished goods is done in an automated way.